You need engine data. You need it now, not later. Keep application 2.0.
Alright kids, we're going to make a quick video here about what to do if you lose your air conditioning because you lose the outside temp sensor in your van. What's going on here, when I key this thing, you're going to see two little dashed lines there. What that means is that it is not, you saw it, it means that the computer is not receiving a signal from the outside temp sensor. And without a signal from the outside temp sensor, she's not going to know what to do. Where can I put you? And it won't turn on the air conditioning because it would assume that, hey, what if it's 5 below outside and I turn on the air conditioner, I'm going to blow up the system. It's going to be overpressured. So, the temp sensor is just a little thermistor that lives in the bottom of the mirror assembly here, and I have a feeling once I go in there, I'm going to find out that it's intermittent. Pry tool. Get behind it, and you'll see that it's got a sort of a cup in the middle of it. There's a variety of ways to do this. You don't want to get too aggressive because it still can break, but you see how the cup grabs onto that. Similar story here down here. Here's my best bet. Again, this is still glass and still can break, but same story, cup arrangement. Are you seeing this? If I have this framed correctly? Yeah, I guess I do. Alright, so we're looking to take the back of the housing off. These are Torx. They look like T25s, but I'm going to tell you for sure here in a second. And that'll allow this clamshell to come apart. T15. Look at that. All right. So here in the bottom of the housing, that is the temp sensor. And these are the two wires. And I expect to see one of these wires broken. What happens is, this is the bottom of the assembly. Water gets in, splashes up in here, gets in here, and rots this out and takes this sensor out. I should point out that this is this is the interior sensor, but it works in the mirror. I'm going to temp it in here just to see if what it's going to do. Because I don't want to have to go chasing out this wire. There it is, fixed. Okay. It was the thermistor itself. Can't see. I hate solder. I hate working with it. Never works. Alright, I should point out that you could secure this, but it isn't really going to matter. It's just going to find its spot in there. You sit there. Okay. I heard that. Simply snaps in. Let violence be your friend. And it's still reading 74 degrees. Well, wasn't that fun? No, not really. Pretty straightforward. This happens quite a bit, and as I say, the symptom will be the 2 dashed lines in your air conditioning won't work. And you won't know what temperature it is outside. So, there you go. ProMasters only. I love you, baby. My app, Promaster Phone App, custom Promaster